Some tips on how to adopt a product management approach to your people operations. Of course, there's plenty in the book that I've written. I'll give you my favorite ones. One of them is really centering your new job descriptions and your people team around the idea of actually building outputs. So thinking about your employee experience as a product, like a subscription product. So think every month, just like if you were getting, I don't know, a wine box delivered to your house, your employees are making a decision to continue to subscribe to your employee experience every single month. And then 1 month they will opt out of that subscription, just like you would if you were deciding to cancel your wine subscription box. If you think about your employee experience in that way and just adopt that mindset, it's very easy then to say, well, part of your role then becomes written around the idea of optimizing that product, so building a better product for your ideal customers. Those two changes, changing your role to be focused around this product and then changing your mindset to think about your employee experience as a product, already do a lot in terms of kind of shifting your behaviors longer term. And the final thing I would say is to go back through and look at every single one of the goals that you have set and change all of your goals to be output focused rather than input focused. And what does that mean? So that means rather than say, launch a new benefits program or ship a new policy or write a new newsletter, it is now about the outputs that come out of that. So improve employee engagement or increase applications, reduce unwanted resignations from your team, whatever it may be, but it ends up being as an output, so some kind of performance change within your business. And if you make those three changes together, hopefully what you will end up doing is being much more customer centric, being able to focus your role much more about improving that customer focus, so the employees in your team and the members of your team, and then finally being able to actually see tangible results rather than just focusing on shipping things and launching things for the sake of doing it.